Ever tried to start your car and it just doesn't? Many immediately think dead battery, but often the real issue isn't your battery, but a failing alternator. This vital component generates electricity to power your cars, systems, and recharge your battery as you drive. If it fails, your battery eventually runs out of juice, mimicking a dead battery. So, how do you tell the difference? Here are 5 key signs your alternator might be failing. First, observe your lights and electrical accessories. Are your headlights dim, especially at low speeds? Is your radio cutting out, or are power windows slow? These suggest insufficient power from the alternator. Secondly, check your dashboard. Most cars have a Gen or Alt warning light, or a battery icon. If it illuminates, it's a clear signal of a charging system problem, often the Third, listen closely. A failing alternator can produce unusual noises. A growling or whining sound from under the hood, particularly when the engine runs, might indicate a worn-out bearing. Our 4th sign is frequent battery issues. If you're constantly needing jump starts, or a new battery keeps dying, your alternator likely isn't recharging it properly. Finally, a burning smell. The scent of burning rubber or hot wires could mean an overworked alternator belt slipping, or internal electrical components overheating. Don't ignore this. If you notice any of these signs, it's crucial to get your vehicle checked by a qualified mechanic promptly. Driving with a failing alternator can leave you stranded and potentially damage other electrical parts. Thanks so much for watching today. We hope this helps you keep your car running smoothly and safely. If you found this helpful, please consider giving us a like and subscribing for more useful car tips. Drive safe.